and I'm here to talk to you about creating and distributing promo CDs for your rock show. Now, CDs are a great way of reaching listeners because they're easily transported and they're easy to pass out, but you should do it in the right way. If you're sending CDs to radio outlets, to the press, higher end stuff like that, then actually print out CDs. Get them professionally done, but make sure that you take off the shrink wrap before you send them out because people don't want to spend time taking off shrink wrap, and that may be what gets them to not listen to your CD. If you're putting out CDs that you're going to be handing out at shows or leaving at stores, then you can make them yourself. Just burn them and put a simple cover on top. Nothing that involves too much crazy printing because chances are it won't look that good, and it's better to have just a simple photocopied print design that you put on top because then the aesthetic matches the actual technology that you have. If you're doing a larger CD giveaway like at shows, just put your 2 best songs on the CD. Don't overload people with lots of information. Remember that these days people get lots and lots of free CDs, most of which they don't bother picking up, or if they do pick them up, they end up throwing them out. So give people a reason to listen to your CD. Make the cover design interesting enough that someone's actually going to pick it up. Maybe put a little sign near where the CDs are that explains what the music is. Because there's so much information that people are bombarded with these days that you really have to go the extra mile. If you're giving away CDs for the purpose of promoting a show, then what you want to do is on the CD jacket, put down the date of the show and the location, and then your web address where they can go for more information. And if you're giving away CDs at a show, make sure that they're promoting the next show coming up. A CD is a great way to promote your music. Just make sure the information is on the CD so people know where to go after they decided that they like the music.